ये आपने डांसिंग का टैलेंट कहाँ छुपाए बैठा हो? सब लोग चिकनी चमेली की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, आपने एकदम
Chand baby has arrived.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल, that is a statement, Chand baby has arrived.
Yes, that's an absolute fair comment to make because for Parma, Chand baby is that. आता है, मौज करता है, चला जाता है. He doesn't have an emotional attachment to her. मुझे आप street play करा दो, मुझे आप world's biggest Bollywood musical Zangura करा दो, आप मुझे Rocket Singh करा दो, आप मुझे इशकजादे करा दो. It's Gauhar the actor who does it.
Well, I recently interviewed Arjun Kapoor and Parineeti Chopra and I asked Arjun Kapoor that जिस तरीके का आपका फैसिनेशन है आपका चांद बेबी के लिए और क्वालिटी बार के लिए, तो ऐसा लगता है कि दिल के अरमा जो हैं वो बहुत दिनों से एकदम थे अंदर और बिल्कुल उभर के सामने आ रहे हैं. तो काफ़ी खैर खुश हुए, कह रहे बस एक्टिंग है, बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करता हूँ. Well, we have with us Gauhar Khan, who's making waves with Chand Baby in Ishaqzade. Pleasure having you on Bollywood.
Thank you so much.
Many would say that you're the surprise packet of Ishaqzade in a way. You're having 2 item songs. You couldn't have asked for more, in fact.
The songs excite me a lot. The fact that they are amazing songs excite me even more. But what excites me the most is the portrayal of Chand Baby. Her role in the film and the impact she makes. And now I'm excited about the response I'm getting. So yeah, everything is I'm pretty happy about it.
We'll definitely talk about the actress that is Gauhar Khan because I think she performed very well in Rocket Singh as well. But I think जो एक होता है that अगर एक glamour quotient अगर है तो पहले उसके बारे में I think बात करना हक बनता है. Because I think the way you have portrayed the entire your womanhood in both the songs, be it Chokra Jawan and Jhalla Jhalla, you know the kind of costumes that you've worn and आपके जो dance steps हैं, we've seen it in Parda Parda in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai as well. ये आपने dancing का talent कहाँ छुपाए बैठा हो? सब लोग चिकनी चमेली की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, आपने एकदम
Chand baby has arrived.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल, that is a statement, Chand baby has arrived.
छुपा के तो नहीं रखा है. I mean, people saw my dancing potential in Jhalak Dikhla Ja, which was great. But I've never been trained in dancing. I think my parents are good dancers, and that's about it. It's just in my blood.
Both the songs, be it Jhalla Jhalla as well as Chokra Jawan, you know, they are like hardcore, जो एक होता है सीटी बजाने वाले और जो commercial मसालेदार single screen एकदम बिल्कुल roguish men and leering at a good looking woman who is there to party. How was that experience? Because जो आपके movements भी हैं वो एकदम बिल्कुल बिंदास एकदम बिल्कुल दिल खोल के.
Actually, Rekha ji और Chini ji जो choreographers हैं, they are the bap and legend of big scale songs. They did Jumma Chumma.
Right.
So when I think of Jumma Chumma, it was one of my favorite songs, and the fact that there are so many men in both of my songs, and I'm the central focal point for all of them. But the way they treat it is so beautiful. They treat it with grace. With हाँ करना है एक raunchy move है, लेकिन आप उसको किस तरह से करते हैं वो that's your call.
Sure.
So उसमें अदाएं डाल देते हैं वो. So Jhalla Walla, yes, it is a महफिल song, but the brief that was given to me by Habib sir was it has to be the the Runa Laila feel or the Rekha feel or something like that. So I was like, yaar, thanks. पूरा सारा मेरे सर पे इतना बड़ा भार डाल दिया. But both songs are so different, and yet it's Chand Baby, and I still had to perform it like Chand Baby. So it was challenging and a lot of fun.
But I'm sure that you'll be flooded with offers for the item song as well as your acting assignments. And even the award shows के अंदर next year आप जो है performances आपके definitely
इंशाल्लाह कोई सुन रहा है.
नहीं सुनने की जरूरत ही नहीं. बनता है बिल्कुल हक बनता है in fact. Okay, but एक चीज ये भी कही जाएगी that Chand Baby helps both these guys. But जो comment उसका होता है अर्जुन के character का that तू क्या छिनाल बनेगी types. You know, somewhere does it from a character's perspective, not as Gauhar Khan but as Chand Baby. Do you think that's a fair comment to make because Chand Baby is actually helping out?
Yes, that's an absolute fair comment to make because for Parma, Chand Baby is that. आता है, मौज करता है, चला जाता है. He doesn't have an emotional attachment to her. She has an emotional attachment to him.
Right.
She is in love with him. He is not in love with her. For her, she is an item. नाचती है, गाती है, मौज करता है, चला जाता है. That's his character speaking. Sure. And I, even watching it, I didn't feel like he's saying something unfair because for him, that's her. दोस्त है, but दोस्ती के level पे नहीं है. He knows कि वो एक इंसान है जो शायद समझ पाए या उसको इस in his mind उसको ये प्यार और ये सब किसी कुछ लेना देना नहीं है.
Right.
For him, चांद को क्या है? चांद को कोई feelings नहीं है. He doesn't know that. but he can trust her to a level of knowing that she will not be like anybody else. She will not be like the rest of them.
Rocket Singh, we saw your acting potential in a big way over there as well. But why is it that we haven't really seen too much of Gaur Khan as an actress on big screen?
You know, I am probably the only actress who doesn't follow the norms of the industry, set by the industry. When Rocket Singh released and I got amazing reviews, alhamdulillah, I took up Zangura, which is the world's biggest Bollywood musical. But for that, I needed to shift my base to Gurgaon. That is a move that not many people, will want to take. People said, "Nee, aapki first movie mein you have to be opposite someone." I didn't believe in that. I did Rocket Singh as my first film. So I believe कि talent आपको कहीं भी ले जाएगा. आपको, you don't have to follow, a certain thing. For me, I'm an actor, यार. मुझे आप street play करा दो, मुझे आप world's biggest Bollywood musical Zangura करा दो, आप मुझे Rocket Singh करा दो, आप मुझे इशकज़ादे करा दो. It's Gauhar the actor who does it. So I'm a little different like that. Inshallah, I hope with the kind of commercial success Ishaqzade has got, I get more meaty, being opposite someone kind of roles.
नहीं इंशाल्लाह क्या बात है. Okay, and even Parda Parda, आपका जो song था in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, I still remember. I think I read some article by Shobha Day, and I think she had just loved. She loved it in fact.
She said it was the high point of the film.
Exactly. So how does that feel?
I was reading through reviews of Once Upon a Time in Mumbai like it was my film. So I was just going through all reviews. I was like, हाँ चलो, okay, people have liked the film and stuff like that. And here was Shobha Day who didn't like the film much, but says the high point of the film is Gaur Khan. So, and she made a statement about that I reminded her exactly of Helen G in that era.
Right.
And I actually messaged her on Facebook and I said, thank you so very much. And I make sure I do that to every review of mine. Even for Ishaqzade, there was a review on, I don't know if I can say that, but you can delete that.
We can mute
Beep
that. We can beep that.
Actually appreciating her reviewer when it comes to them even mentioning one sweet line or one something that touches me closely. So Parda Parda did really well last year, and now Chokra Jawan and Jhalla. So I'm very, very, very happy.
Now, you are both an actress as well as you can do item songs as well. What are the sort of filmmakers that you like to work with?
Well, I'm an actor. An actor does everything, whether it is running around the trees, whether it's an item song, whether it is the portrayal of Chand Baby or Koina Sheikh, or that's an actor. So as an actor, I'd love to work with everybody. I want to work with Dibakar Banerjee. I want to work with Sriram Raghavan. I want to work with Anurag Kashyap. I want to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I want to work with Yash Chopra if I could. I think everything is possible in life.